Okay, now I'll be checking out the Double Rainbow Car Wash here in Whitehouse, Texas, just south of Tyler. And it looks like they're the same prices. But I want to experiment with something. See, a Maxx 3 in there. And then another Millennium in here. I was right. Yep, same prices. Let's get a clean still shot of this. This one's got different dryers. So, yep, 5, 7, 8, 9. Just like, let's see it, 2. Yeah, 3 other washes today. Nice to know that they're not expensive. Okay, my experiment was... Will the 2 wash tokens work? Probably not. But it doesn't hurt to try, because I don't know what else I'm going to use them for. That's a coin return? Oh yeah, the tokens don't even fit in the quarter slot. And I just dropped one down in the seat. Turns out that method didn't work. It just fell right out of that slot. One of the quarters went onto the ground, and I'm not risking losing another dollar point. I'm just gonna swipe my card on this one. Okay, that works, so... Alright. You may enter the car wash now, it says. That's really faded. Oh boy, that's a floor switch. Oh, let's see. I'm have to do blind here. Just I feel. Good thing I'm experienced. Okay, that helps too. The other Millennium didn't have that. Okay, that's pretty watery. Okay, I'll turn my exposure down because we got sun here. Back to normal anyway. Yeah, presoak's watery. Yeah, after all this, we'll get to see which of these car washes has the best $9 wash. Alright, we're ready to come to life. Oh, that's supposed to be trifoam. Yeah, not too great on this one. don't see no green light, but it's safe to go, most likely. These jars look pretty old, especially those nozzles look pretty worn. Let's see how they do. Huh, they still work pretty good, at least. Man, those are flaking off like mad. Holy cow. Those gotta be old. So work pretty good, yeah. Just some new nozzles would be nice. Okay. And there's a shot of the other bay. See, that one has new nozzles. Alright, I'm stretching out my camera there so y'all can see that. But yeah, this was the double rainbow car wash in Whitehouse, Texas. I think I prefer the Millennium and Tyler at the Splash. 4 manual bays, I think that's how I get out of here. Well, this concludes today's car wash spree. It was fun checking out all a bunch of rare machines and some cool ones too. Without further ado, that'll be it. See y'all in the next one.